Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday and we've already gone to a bunch of yards and they don't need to be cut. It looks like we just mowed them, to be honest with you. I can't tell you how many we went to, probably 6 or so, and they all looked great. They looked like we just mowed them. We went by an apartment complex that we have a yearly contract with, and it looked great too. That's one that we're going to have to also, maintain through the winter months. Picking up limbs and just making sure everything looks great. But this is the first yard that we've cut today. I think it's like 10 in the morning. I mean, we've been driving around for a while, looking at our properties. But this is the one. I don't think y'all have ever seen this one before. But we cut this one every 2 weeks, and we just got done with it. As you can tell, I mean, we didn't take much off. Really just the stems, but it looks good. Got it all edged up and looking real nice, and they're just blowing them off, and we're going to go and head down the street and do about 3 more on this street. And we didn't start off with much today, and it looks like we're going to end pretty early today. I think we're just going to cut the ones that are on this street, and that'll be it for today. I don't think we have anything else. We have probably a couple to do tomorrow, but we're going to have to look at them first to even be able to say if we're going to cut them or not. It might be like today. But Thursday and Friday we're going to be cutting Westview Apartments, probably for the last time of the year. It doesn't look bad. We've actually drove by it last week, and it didn't look bad at all. But we're probably going to cut it just probably one more time. I highly doubt we cut it again. But we'll be doing that Thursday and Friday, and that's our week. It's just been a whole bunch of driving up and looking at the yards, and a whole bunch of just passing by them. I don't know if anybody else is going through the same thing, but we are over here in Arkansas. But hopefully y'all are still cutting. Grass is still growing. If not, then you're in the same boat we are. But I'm gonna record some more at the houses down here. Maybe I'll get some footage of us mowing. But that'll be about it, guys. It's not much of a day, not much to record. But I hope y'all are having a good day, and I hope y'all are making some money. But we'll see you down there. Just stay tuned, okay? Hey guys, what's going on? I didn't do an outro for Tuesday's video. Just didn't have time. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now because I'm about to upload the video. But yesterday was Wednesday. We went ahead. We started Westview Apartments instead of starting today because, as you can tell, it's raining. It's a wet mess out here. It's been raining like this all day. But we did go ahead and we started Wednesday. Started doing Westview. We're going to go back out and hopefully finish it up tomorrow if it's not too wet. But I just wanted to give you a little update, let you know what was going on, and wanted to tell Ben from Acme Mowing that I got a shirt. I got your shirt. It came in the mail. Well, this rain's coming down, and it's awesome, man. And I appreciate it a lot. Thank you very much, Ben and JT and KH. It's a really cool shirt, and if we do end up getting to work tomorrow, I'll wear it tomorrow. So just wanted to let you know. Thanks a lot, Ben. I really appreciate it. But if we work tomorrow, we'll see you tomorrow. If not, it'll be next week. But hopefully we do. I know this rain's, it's been going all day long, but maybe it'll dry up some tomorrow. I'm not real sure. It's supposed to be kind of cold tomorrow. I have no idea. But we're gonna try to cut it. So I'll see you tomorrow, guys. I hope you had a good day. I hope you got to mow today, and we'll see you tomorrow.